All about ecosystems, part 1. Overview of the topic. Number 1, about ecosystems. Number 2, ecology and ecosystem. Number 3, biome. And number 4, ecotones. So first let us know about ecosystems. The ecosystem is a broad term and includes all the living organisms, that is plants and animals, interacting with their non-living environments, water, light, soil, air, etc. at a place. The size of an ecosystem can be as small as a pond or as large as the Pacific Ocean. Sometimes ecologists consider the entire biosphere as a global ecosystem. In general, all the natural ecosystems found on the earth can be broadly classified into two types, namely terrestrial, that is land, and aquatic ecosystems. The forest, grassland, savanna, etc. are terrestrial ecosystems, while ocean, pond, river, etc. are aquatic ecosystems. Next we have ecology and ecosystem. In common language, the study of ecosystem is called ecology. The term ecology was coined by the German biologist Ernst Haeckel in the year 1869. It is derived from the Greek words oikos means house and logos means to study. Thus, in a simple language, ecology can be defined as the study of the living organisms at their living place, their relations with one another and with their surroundings. An ecosystem is an integrated unit consisting of interacting plants, animals, and microorganisms, whose survival depends mainly upon the maintenance and regulation of their biotic and abiotic structures and functions. Thus, ecosystem is a type of system which is composed of a number of subunits which are directly or indirectly linked with each other. The ultimate source of energy for sustaining any ecosystem is sun. On the basis of exchange of energy among different components, the ecosystem they are of two types. Number 1, an open ecosystem where exchange of energy and matter may occur freely outside, that is natural ecosystems. And number 2, a closed ecosystem where exchange of energy and matter occurs within the system, that is artificial ecosystems. Now next we have biome. Since an ecosystem can be as small as a single tree or as large as entire forest, there are lots of variations in ecosystems types across different regions and climatic conditions. A natural ecosystem functions in a large geographical area, call it a biome. A biome is a very specialized ecosystem that only exists in a certain area or climate. They are identified by factors like temperature, rainfall, soil type, and altitude. Thus, a biome is a large geographical area on the earth consisting of types of animals and plants living there. A biome can be partially determined by the prevailing local climatic conditions. There is more than one type of biome within a given large geographical area and climatic zone. The possible biomes are number 1, tropical rainforest, number 2, tropical savanna, number 3, desert, number 4, Mediterranean woodland, number 5, deciduous forest, number 6, tundra, and number 7, ice caps. And lastly we have ecotones. Biomes never just start and stop when they border each other. The overlapping area of two biomes is considered as ecotone. Ecotones can be formed due to touching boundaries of forest, deserts, mountains, etc. While an ecotone on the ground may not cover a large area of land, climate transition zones between biomes are often very large. An important character of an ecotone is that it contains more biodiversity compared to each of the biome because it has living species from both the ecosystems. Hoping that this video is helpful to know much about ecosystems. So if you guys liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get everyday updates from our channel. Thanks for all your love.